In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Smart Manipulator to drop on custom stereotype relationships or other elements. So just want to show in this example, we're going to use blocks and activities on a block definition diagram. Prerequisite is to have a locally accessible profile with custom stereotype defined. So just as you can see here, this is the Smart Manipulator. By default, it comes with, on a block, it comes with ports and different relationships that you can use to quickly establish relationships between objects. So now I'm going to show you how to how to put custom relationships on these. So we're going to go to Diagrams Customize and select BDD here. So the way I skipped ahead is if you just click anywhere and you type in B, well, it's not working now because I typed in B twice, but if you click here and you see this search for box, type in B, then it jumps down to the first B that it sees at the beginning. So this one was close to SysML block definition diagram, and we hit edit. And we're editing the block definition diagram. We're going to add the profile that has our custom stereotype. It happens to be the model that we're currently in. Next and finish. No, I don't want to. It's just warning us that there are auxiliary resources that are hidden and we want to keep them that way. So no, I don't want to show them. Hit next. We're not going to change the toolbar, but we are going to create a new button for the block definition diagram just to make it easy, and for the availability to add it to the Smart Manipulator later, because if you don't have a button defined, you won't be able to add it to the Smart Manipulator. So we have to add the button first. It is a type of dependency in this case. There are other options. Those are outside of the scope of this video. If you go to the docs.no magic website, it should walk you through all of these, and I can post the link. Specifies, add this, select OK, hit next. And this is outside scope too, but you can adjust the general properties for each one of these on a block definition diagram by default. So now we're at Specify Smart Manipulators. We want to specify our own configuration and we want to adjust the activity. So we're going to click Dependency. Now we have that. And I'm going to do that trick again where I type B, jumps down to block. We're going to add it. And we're going to move it down under separator because it is not a port. So down, 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 and down. And now we're finished. And now it's going to warn us that we do need to restart whenever you're customizing profiles. You will need to exit out and reopen Cameo. So we're going to do that now. Okay, now that we have Cameo reopened, we are going to go back into the test profile. And now we can see that not only do we have it in the toolbar here, we will also have it on our Smart Manipulator here, specifies, and on the activity here. So now I can shift drop some blocks. So I'm going to hit shift, click this block. I'm going to drop a couple of them here. And then I'm going to hit shift and click specifies. And that allows me to quickly create relationships from element to element, as you can see. And to test the activity, since there are no activities on the toolbar, we're just going to drop them from the containment tree like so, and do the same process. And that's that.